Crafter. You will find me on Teachers Pay Teachers or TES. Today I want to show you these interactive worksheets I have created using Google Forms, counting and cardinality for kindergarten. Let me show you how it's set up. So Google Forms basically is an assessment tool that you can use. It's hard to imagine that with your kindergarten students, but I think it works. So you would pass along whichever portion of this form that you want. Starting, the students can fill in their name, first and last, and that you can get rid of any portion that you don't want. So like the email address if you don't want that, okay? So then they would move along to the next screen. So here we're going to see if our students can count by ones. What's the missing number? Write your answer below. So they can see there's a number missing, and they would just click in this spot here and they would type in their answer. Now, what I'm showing you is the answers. You're the teacher, and so I want to show you how that's set up, okay? What's the missing number? Write your answer below. So I did a number like that, you can see, in the 70s, 80s, and 90s. The next screen, they would count by tens. What's the missing number this time? 10, 20, obviously 30, and they would write their answer in there, okay? Then we're going to write numbers from 0 to 20. So write the number 4 in words. So they have to look at this, identify that that's the number 4. They can see how to spell it, and then they can turn around and write it right there. Number 5. Which number is greater, 3 or 5? And again, a spot for them to type their answer. Is 7 less than 11? Yes or no? And they just have to click. 9 is greater than 6. How much greater? So they can hopefully look and see that it's 3 greater and click on the right answer. And again, I would only send each of these small units, one day at a time to my students. I wouldn't send them this whole great big form. I'm just showing you all the options. Write as a numeral. So I've given some pictures here. They have to count and then write the number there, whatever it is, 3, 6, 9, 12. So write the number 12 there. How many faces have 2 eyes? So I can look, and if I can see 2 eyes, I would count them. So a little twist there. How many faces are pink? How many faces are there? And they write their answer below. How many of these animals live in the water? In this sixth section, they're going to pair the objects. So how many fish in total? They can see 3 plus 1, 4. Then I move along. What is 3 plus 1 on the next screen? There are 3 groups. Which group has 8 fish? Does group 3 have more fish than group 2? And again, you can see they click yes or no. So all kinds of questions I've set up for your students. I think it's an easy way for you to assess if your students are understanding the material, and you can move forward or review as you need. Hope you love it. Thanks for stopping by. I have so many more on my site.